With Windows 10 and Universal Apps, educators and students can have more tactile learning activities across multiple devices. Whether using a tablet, computer, or smartphone, a Windows 10 Universal app has a similar experience on any device. Here are a few Universal apps and examples of how I use them with my students. My class is beginning a study of animal habitats and the environmental impacts to animals in our region. With the Kahoot Create app for Windows 10, I can quickly create a formative assessment to understand student knowledge of the concepts at the start of our habitat study. Because the Kahoot Play app is available in the Microsoft Store for Education, my students can join Kahoot using the app inside Windows 10. Part of our Animal Habitat unit includes a field trip to our local zoo and aquarium. We use the Maps app to find the zoo and to view some basic details about the location. Our school is relatively close to the zoo, and we wonder if we can walk. After searching for our school, we adjust the map so we can see both locations on the screen. Using the Measure Distance tool, we draw a possible route to the zoo. The Maps app displays the distance of our route so we can determine if motorized transportation is necessary for this field trip. While reading about the zoo and aquarium on their website, we found information about the entrance fees. I asked students to use the math tool to figure out how much it would cost us to get in. Students draw on the page to illustrate the mathematical thinking, and then I can select the area I want to replay. The OneNote app will play back the inking in the order it was drawn, so I can review the student's work and look for any possible missteps. This is also very helpful for visual learners who need to see the process again for better understanding of the calculations. As students turn in their field trip permission slips, I use the Office Lens app to quickly capture, crop, and save images directly to our OneNote class notebook. This way, I have immediate access to student emergency contacts in my pocket using the OneNote app from my phone. When we return from the field trip, my students use Office Lens to include evidence of learning directly to their individual notebooks. This might include photos of their journal work or handouts they receive, such as fact pages for the animals we visited. An additional feature with Office Lens is the Immersive Reader, which recognizes text in a captured image and can play it back for students to hear, just as the Immersive Reader functions in OneNote and other programs. With Windows 10 and Universal Apps, educators and students can work easily across devices to support teaching and learning.